Ever stared at your bank account and felt like you were reading a foreign language? Like, where did that money go? And more importantly, how do you make sure it doesn't just vanish again? You've probably heard whispers of budgeting apps, and one name keeps popping up, YNAB. But here's the real question: can you actually trust YNAB with your hard-earned cash and your financial sanity? Let's be honest, giving any app access to your financial information feels a bit like handing over the keys to your house to a stranger. So, understandably, trust is paramount. We're not just talking about whether the app functions correctly, but whether it truly aligns with your financial well-being. First, let's address the elephant in the room: data security. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, employs bank-level encryption. This means your data is scrambled and protected, making it incredibly difficult for anyone unauthorized to access it. They also utilize two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security. This is non-negotiable in today's digital age, and YNAB seems to take it seriously. But security is just one piece of the puzzle. What about the core philosophy? YNAB operates on 4 simple rules: give every dollar a job, embrace your true expenses, roll with the punches, and age your money. These aren't just catchy phrases, they form the foundation of a proactive budgeting approach. The emphasis is on conscious spending and planning, not restrictive deprivation. Now, some might argue that YNAB's subscription model is a point of contention. It's not a free app. However, the subscription fee allows them to focus on continuous development and support, rather than selling your data to third parties or bombarding you with ads. This aligns with a trust-based relationship where your privacy is prioritized. Another crucial aspect of trust is transparency. YNAB provides extensive resources, including workshops, webinars, and a supportive community forum. They encourage users to learn and understand the budgeting process rather than relying on a black box algorithm. This openness fosters a sense of control and empowerment, essential for building trust. However, it's worth noting that YNAB requires a certain level of commitment. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. You need to actively engage with the app, reconcile your accounts, and adjust your budget as needed. This active participation, while initially demanding, is precisely what builds financial awareness and ultimately, trust in the process. Let's also address the zero-based budgeting aspect. It might feel restrictive initially, assigning every dollar a job. But this isn't about deprivation, it's about intentionality. It's about ensuring your spending reflects your priorities. And when you see your savings grow and your financial stress decrease, that's when the trust in the system solidifies. Ultimately, trust is a personal decision. YNAB isn't a magic bullet, but it provides a robust framework and the tools to build a healthier relationship with your money. The security measures, the transparent approach, and the focus on education all contribute to a trustworthy platform. If you're willing to invest the time and effort, YNAB can be a powerful ally in your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.